Yes, you see, this is the treasure. There are treats here. In order to get the treasure, you must face the dreaded Vacuum. You must face his terrible wrath, the screaming noise, and the terrible movement of Vacuum. If you can overcome Vacuum, you will be rewarded with delicious star-shaped delicacies. And here we go. You must face Vacuum.
Oh, wow, that wasn't hard at all, actually.
Owning a Siberian Husky can be a crazy experience, and we know that tons of you are going through that experience right now. It's probably why you found our channel and why you're watching so many of our videos. Huskies take a little bit of trial and error when it comes to owning them. You gotta try this, and then you gotta try that, and then you gotta try this, and then you gotta try that. Yeah, you gotta try a whole bunch of different things before you become perfect at getting it right. So just get used to making mistakes, and remember, learning from your mistakes is the best way to gain knowledge and experience. Anyway, today's topic is husky hair. We all know that it happens. There's nothing you can do about it. If you're gonna own a Floofmeister, you gotta deal with hair. But what's the best way to deal with it? And if you've watched the channel, I've always said, get yourself the best vacuums that you can. Now, obviously, you need to get a stand-up vacuum for spot cleaning, but you can make things easy on yourself and get yourself a robot vacuum. Robot vacuums make things easy on you and your Huskies because they clean up all the floof, and you don't got to worry about it, honey. But you probably already know that. So today's question is this: what's the best bang for your buck? What is the best robot vacuum when it comes to Siberian Husky hair? Well, today our lovely sponsor Dreame has sent us an awesome robot vacuum for us to try out and review for you guys. Now, I will say this before we even jump into this: I have used Dreame products in the past, and I really like them. So come with us, will you, on another episode of 60 Formula, where we review a Dreame D9 automatic vacuum and see if it can pick up all of the crazy husky hair all over the house. So let's do it, dude. You ready, Freddy? Okay.
Let me tell you of the demon called Vacuum. Vacuum will eat you. It eats many things on the floor. So beware of Vacuum. If you are a dog or a husky, Vacuum may come for you.
So introducing right here in front of you is the Dreame D9 automatic vacuum. It does everything that you need it to do in terms of keeping all of the husky floof that comes off your doggo's booty off of the ground. You come here and see the vacuum? Yeah, come look at it. Yeah, what do you think, dude? What do you think of it? Yeah, we're gonna unbox this right now, dude. What do you think? You excited? All right, so let's go ahead, take our cutlery and cut very carefully. Oh my good golly goodness. Infinite possibilities. Let's open it up. Ooh, look what's inside. All right, we just took it out of the box. It looks incredible. It looks great. You see it's got the traditional bumper here that most vacuums have. Go ahead and remove these little pieces. It's got this little thingy up here, which I'm assuming is how it navigates. And we've got 3 buttons up here on the top. It looks like a power button, a button to send it home, and I'm not really sure what this button does, but maybe it connects to your phone or something like that. We'll find out when we open up the instructions. So here's what the bottom looks like right here. There's no brush, but we're gonna install it. It comes with a brush, and it's actually in the box right here. This piece, we are going to attach it. Boom, right there. So this should spin as it cleans and sucks up all the floofiness. From here, this looks like this is possibly for mopping. This vacuum looks like it also mops, which is awesome. So yeah, this is a mopping piece that you can put on the bottom. Really cool. Always awesome when something can automatically mop your house at the same time as vacuuming it. And finally, it looks like over here is the dock where we're going to have the vacuum, here we go, charge and return when it is done cleaning. If we don't break my hand first trying to get this thing out of here. Whoa, there it is, wrapped and beautiful for Christmas. So this is basically going to be the charging base right here. Boom, so you got your charging base, and I can already see that the receptacle, wow, that is a huge receptacle. And this is one of the biggest problems that I have with most automatic vacuums. Most robot vacuums have the smallest receptacles, so after only like 10 minutes of vacuuming, you have to take this thing out. This is huge. It's literally the size almost of the entire vacuum, which, yes, go Dreame Tech. That's awesome. The more hair that you can get in one cleaning session, the better. I don't want to have to go and empty this 1,000 times. It defeats the purpose of it being automatic. So thank you so much, Dreame Tech, for putting a huge garbage receptacle in here. Look how big that is. Dude, this is by far the biggest receptacle that we have on any robot vacuum. What do you guys think of that? Look at it, Britney Spears. How big is that, dude? Woo! Oh. Dreame Tech don't play around, son. Now you probably see this right here. This actually helps you clean parts of the vacuum and cut some of the hair that's caught in the brushes. Oh man, I'm really excited. It uses an LDS high precision navigation system, which helps it move around your home easily and know exactly where it's at. It's able to find its home station super fast and at the click of a button, so you don't have to worry about it finding its charging station for about 3.5 hours. The vacuum is also a mop, so it's a 2-for-1. You're gonna be vacuuming and mopping at the same time, bro. Not only are you gonna be getting all of the hair up, but you're gonna be getting all of those little paw prints off of your hardwood floors and your tile at the exact same time. This vacuum uses over 3,000 PA of suction, which ensures that it gets up the strongest and most durable husky hair, even some really big, thick pieces of debris. And last but not least, you can use the D9 with your cell phone, so you have a remote control for this vacuum as well as a map on the app so that you can see where the vacuum is in your house, what grounds it covers. It's really, really cool. Don't miss out on this. Dreame Tech went the distance, and we were so lucky to hook up with them as a sponsor on this episode, and I'm so excited to see what this vacuum can do. So as you can see, this thing is doing a really good job of cleaning up all of the husky. Oh, let me see. Oh man, look at that. Oh my gosh. It's all gone. It picks up hair on the carpet with ease, which is also great because you don't want a vacuum that can only clean hardwood but can't clean the carpet. Now what we want to do is we're going to hop on our cell phone, take a look at the app, and just check out what that has to offer in terms of controlling the robot and what you get to see on there. You can go ahead and set this robot vacuum up on your cell phone, scheduling specific times when you want your vacuum to clean your house for you, and it also maps out your entire apartment or home, which is really cool. It knows exactly where to go and where it's at all times. So if you want to schedule it to just clean one room at a time, you don't want it to clean the whole house, you can do one room at a time. What's great about this robot is it's able to find the dock and charge itself automatically. You don't have to worry about keeping your eye on this thing. It's gonna get the job done and go back to its home on its own and charge itself.
Begin charging.
Another great thing about the D9 automatic robot vacuum is that it can flawlessly go from hardwood to carpet and then right back onto hardwood again. It can also transition between hardwood and tile. So this product covers almost every single type of flooring, no matter where you live. We depend on the D9 vacuum every single day, and it never lets us down. We highly recommend that if you're a pet owner and you have a lot of fur on your floor, to look into getting the D9 Robot Vacuum by Dreame Tech. Once again, we want to thank Dreame Tech for sending us the D9. We hope this video helped you guys out, helped you make a great decision on which vacuum to buy. Hint, we definitely suggest this one. So if you guys had a good time today, be sure to smash that like button and hit subscribe so you don't miss out on any more awesome reviews, amazing husky information, and tips, tricks about training, raising, and living with a Siberian Flufferoni pizza. This is 60 Formula signing off. Say bye, Britney Spears. Say bye, Gila. Peace.